Hello everybody, welcome back to Design Mechanic. Hope all are doing good. Today we are going to make this part model by using surface tools. So let's get into the video. Let's begin by changing the unit to MMGS. Select front plane, click on sketch, choose center point arc, place the center point, select first point, second point. Now dimension it, radius 25. Now make the 2 points and the origin horizontal. It's fully constrained. Exit from the sketch. Now choose front plane. Go to reference geometry, plane. Give the value as 45 mm distance. Click on OK. Select the plane. Sketch. Ctrl 8 for normal view. Draw a straight line. Give the value as 50. Okay. Draw a central line. Now pick up the midpoint and the line, coincide, and give height from origin 10. Okay. Now choose 3-point arc. Radius 10. Select this point and line. Okay. Now we will mirror it about this. Okay. Now it's fully constrained. Exit from the sketch. Choose top plane. Choose style spline. First point on first profile and the third point on the second profile. Now we will give dimensions 27. The height 30. Draw a central line. Choose this line. Mirror. Choose this line. Mirror about the central line. Okay. Exit from the sketch. Go to surfaces, lofted surfaces. First profile, second profile. Okay. Now choose the guide curves. First curve and the second curve. Okay. Now choose top plane. Ctrl 8. Choose 3-point arc. First point, second point. Okay. Dimension it now. With the plane 3. Same on the other side 3. Okay. Now select the curve and the plane, tangent, relation. Now it's fully constrained. Exit from the sketch. Go to extrude surface. Choose this plane. Okay. Now we will choose this face, trim surface, and we will trim this off. Okay. Now we will choose this surface, trim surface, and trim the surfaces. Okay. Click on OK. Ensure that you have trimmed all the unwanted part. Okay. Now hide this one. Okay. Now choose the plane 1. Sketch. Control 8. Now choose the line edges for converting. Exit from the sketch. Extrude surface. Okay. Now we will make it visible. Okay, choose the surface, trim surface, and trim out unwanted surfaces. Okay, click on OK and hide it again. Okay, now choose front plane, click on sketch, Control 8. Okay, now choose center point arc. Select center point, first point and second point. Dimension it 22.5. Okay, now select first point, second point, and the origin. Relation horizontal. Now it's fully constrained. Exit from the sketch. Extrude surface. Click on OK. Now choose this surface, trim surface, and select all the surfaces to be trimmed. Okay. 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 Now we will select this face, trim surface, this and this. Click on OK. Again, we'll choose this face, trim surface. Okay. Okay. Now we need only the inner part for making it solid. Okay. Now what I will do is I'll select this face and trim surface. This one. Okay. Now I will make and trim this. Okay, and again choose this face, trim. Okay, now before making it solid we need to close this surface. So choose top plane, normal to, again choose and sketch, convert this edge, line, exit from the sketch, extrude. Okay, now choose this face, trim surface. Okay, now choose this face, inner face, trim surface. Okay, ensure that you have selected all the faces to be trimmed. Okay, now it's fully closed. Now we will knit surface, which means we are going to make it a solid. Create solid, merge entities, select this face, select all the faces. Okay, click on OK. Now you can see it's in solid. Okay, exit. Okay, now we will loft it again, lofted surface. Okay, select profile 1 and make it visible the curves, and select the curves. Okay, first curve, second curve. Okay, now make the extrude visible, select the surface, trim unwanted surfaces. Okay, okay, click on OK and make it hide. So now we have created half of the part. Okay, now we will thicken it, giving a thickness of 1 mm. Select the surface. Okay, make it other side. Okay, now okay, now I'll choose top plane. For mirror, features, mirror, choose top plane. Okay, bodies to mirror. Okay, we have created a part. Okay, hide these lines, this plane. Now we will make it wireframe. Select a sketch plane. Okay, convert entities. Okay, we'll make this and this line. Okay, now apply. Okay, select again, drop from here to here and give distance 1. Okay, 0.24. Okay. Now create a center line. Okay. 1 second. Just line. Wait. Okay, dimension it. One mm. 3 mm. Okay, size 4. Okay. Now trim 100 lines. Fix it. Sketch features revolve. Okay. Go back to normal view. Yes, we have created it. As you can see, we have created the mouth of dryer. Okay. Now we will change its appearance. We will make it glass, clear glass. Okay. And give its color as 255, 183, 255. Okay. Click on OK. See, we have created a part. Okay.